Hello mga kabisakol!
Hello guys!
Welcome back to our channel sa Ignoranting Bisakol.
Cool.
Ayan si Baby Loves. Saan tayo ngayon, Baby Loves?
Saan ba?
Andito tayo ngayon sa may Alwaset Wetland Park.
Ito yung ticket namin.
Ay, yung ticket
guys,
natin.
ito yung ticket namin.
Magkano binayaran natin, Baby Loves?
15 dirham only.
One person
Each. 15
is 15 dirhams. Ayun. So let's make a tour dito sa Alwaset Wetland Park. This is a home of fauna and flora. So tara, pasukin natin.
Tara.
Samahan natin. Samahan nabubulol. Isasama namin kayo sa aming adventure ngayon dito sa may Alwaset Wetland Park. Okay, Baby Labs?
Yes.
Guys, papasok na kami ngayon dito sa may entrance ng Alwaset Wetland Park. At saka ang ganda ng paligid. See? Oh. Nature.
I love nature.
Mahilig kami ni Baby Love sa mga nature. Ayan, ang ganda dito. Ayan o. Punta kayo dito. Dito ang sa may Sharjah. Ito yung ano guys, entrance. Ayan, medyo pa siya pababa. Ayan si Baby Loves. Naglalakad si Baby Loves. Ayan sa taas may mga halaman. Ayan. Ito yung magiging bungad ng park.
Ibon na nakadikit.
Okay, pasok tayo. Welcome to Alwaset Wetland Center. Ito yung entrance. Ayan na, papasok na si Baby Loves dito sa may aviary. Wow. Wow. Birds na ito. Ayan, sa may punan sa taas. Ayan. Ayan. Sa taas, may mga birds nest. Ayan. Ayan si Baby Loves naglalaro sa... Wow, ang cute. Ayan o. Pinakain niya yung kamay mo, B. Ayan si Baby Loves. Ayan pa, may parating pa. Oo. Ano yan sa Guinea Fowl? Pangalan niya. Ayan o. Si Arabian Helmeted Guinea Fowl. Si Nobida meleagris is ang ano niya, ang scientific name. Estuary birds. Ayan siya. Birds. Ayan sila, nakikita sila. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, and there's a little pond here. They can drink the water and they can bath themselves. Ayan, may naliligo. Ayan, may narinig.
Parang pata na rin. Kung pa siya pata.
Oo nga. Ayan, ang dami nila. Ayan guys. Ayan si mamang caretaker. Pinapakain sila. Guys, ito yung mga marsh birds. Ayan. Ayun sa taas, oh. Ayun. Ayan guys, sumasakay na kami ngayon sa Buggy Rides. Mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito sa may Alwazit Batuan. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda ng place. Ayun. So, baby loves.
Alabi, may na yun.
Sabi mo. Wow. Ito, sa kabila. Ayan guys yung view namin. It's a bit bumpy out here. As you can see the road, see? It's a little bit rough. Ayan be. Nag-enjoy si Baby Labs sa Buggy Ride. Ayan guys, welcome back again to our channel. Sa ignoranting isa ko.
Nakasakay kami.
Andito tayo sa may Alwazit Wetland Park. Ito tayo sa Sharjah.
Di mo ako mahulog, Bi. Huwa kami may ibi, huwag mahulog.
It's a little bit bumpy. It's a bumpy ride.
Welcome to our vlog.
Welcome to our vlog. Ayan, sige.
Sinawa ko sa inyo.
Ayan, ang ganda. Ayan, ayan guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan guys, ang adventure namin ni Baby Labs ngayong araw na
Grabe,
to.
malikabok na.
Dito sa may Alwazit Wetland Park.
Kaya mas bibilos papunta ko.
That's me yun. Makula ko ng bubong.
Ulo na mo.
Ayan guys, tingnan mo yun guys. Ayan.
Surrounded si
This is
parang
actually a good escape from the hassle and bustle of Dubai. It's a little bit slow here. Di ba Bino? Medyo
dito sa tayo may
ayun, may viewing deck. We're gonna be heading to that. Ayun. Bird observation.
5 minutes,
5 minutes only, brother. Ayan guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa my bird observation point. Ayan, ayan yung place. Ayan si brother. Brother, how many minutes here only? 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Si brother ang driver ng Buggy Ride. Let's go. Ayan na si Baby Labs. Nauna na si Baby Labs. Ayan, ang ganda dito. See the place. See the place. Ayan. Hello guys! Dito tayo ngayon sa may birds sanctuary viewing deck dito sa may Alwaset Wetland Park. Kami pa rin na dalawa ni Bebe Labs.
Baby Labs.
Si Bebe Labs,
Ikot dito.
ayan ang ganda ng view. It's green.
Tingnan ang buhok ni Be.
Ayan na.
Lumilipad na din.
Ayan na, ang ganda dito. Ayan guys, oh. As you can see,
Tingnan mo na 5 minutes.
it's really good in here.
5 minutes
5 minutes
lang.
lang daw. We are given 5 minutes only, so we need to utilize our time here.
Picture.
Okay, let's picture. Psst. Isa pa. Psst. Picture yun. Screenshot na lang natin later. Ayun. Ayan guys, yung mga makikita nating mga ibon dito. Ayan, it's an open field of water. Ayan, there you go. See? Nandiyan na si Sunshine Cruise. Ayan. Yes, Baby Love, she's trying to view. Ayan. Ayan na muna sa malayo, be. Ayan guys, this is actually what you call this? This is Alwaset Wetland Park here in Sharjah. It's a beautiful place. It's a paradise. It's like an escape, from the hassle and bustle of Dubai. So you can come here to just have yourself and embrace the nature, have fun with the birds, with whatever animals here. It's all about birds actually. A lot of different kinds of birds you can find it here, and really it's amazing. It's a beautiful place. Baby, no?
Yes.
Si Baby Labs again, si Baby Labs. Okay, let's invite them, Baby Labs. Mas maganda dito kasi ngayon dito mainit, no? Bino?
Pagdigdikan mo ngayong buwan at saka next month. Palamig. Paliwalas.
Maganda na dito, maganda. Mahangin.
Sarap ang hangin sariwa.
Napaka-refreshing.
Pampalis ng problema ba?
And most of all, it's available.
Yeah.
It's available for everybody to come.
It's only 15 dirham.
15 dirhams
each.
And you can find this, in the middle of the Sharjah. We didn't even expect that we can, find this place, this beautiful place, despite the urban development. Yeah. So guys, what are you waiting for?
Come there na.
Come in
and enjoy.
Alwaset
Park.
And guys, pabalik na kami dun sa doon sa may buggy ride namin. Okay. Ayun.
Dito naman ako.
Yeah, Baby Labs, ano masasabi mo doon sa be?
Magundo.
Ang ganda doon, no? Ganda? Ganda dito.
Teka, saan daw siya labi?
Buhaya dito, may kayong unang sasakmanin, Ayun. Actually guys, itong place na to is dati siyang wasteland, tapunan ng mga basura, and then 2010, they started to make this area to become wetland. So from a wasteland, it becomes a wetland. Saka nagbukas ito noong 2015, led by His Excellency Sheikh Mohammed bin Qasimi, Sultan Qasimi, ruler of Sharjah. So this wasteland was now become a wetland. And it's a place now. It's a place now of sometimes in February actually there are some migratory birds that comes on this place. So seasonal. So those birds actually from different countries in winter time, so they migrate here. So this would be a perfect place for them. Ayun o, may gazelle oh. Ayun, oh. Experience na namin ni Babylons ang place na ito. Ang ganda dito guys. Salagang 15 dirhams lang.
Talagang 15.
Yeah, may mga
Ayun.
yeah.
Talabat drivers, may talabat drivers magkakabin ang pasok. Kaya kami digdi. Ligot mo sa lupa. Nagagigil na kami sa buwan. Nagagigil sa buwan, nagagigil na kami.
Ay, ayan pala yung ano. Finally we arrived na. Oops. Doon na tayo bibilang. Hello guys! So ngayon natapos na natin ikutin ang Al-Wazir Wetland Park. Nag-enjoy kami dito ni Babylons. The place it's giving a very nature vibe.
Nature vibes.
So this is actually an escape from the hassle and bustle of Dubai. So you may come here and visit Sharjah, particularly here in Al-Wazir Wetland Park. So guys, you can find here actually a lot of species of birds. So this is the home of some migratory birds from other countries and some other places. So they will stop here, especially during winter. So they will migrate here for like quite some time. So the entrance fee is how much, baby lads?
15 dirhams.
So for 15 dirhams, you will enjoy. There's a buggy ride actually in here that will take you around the area. It's like siguro mga 30 minutes lang. It will bring you to the open field of water. So mayroon pa rin mga ano doon, mga birds. Pero walang buhaya.
Mayroong buhaya.
Walang buhaya.
Bring your family also here.
Yeah, so you can actually enjoy here, especially the kids, because there's a lot of species of birds right here. And then you can bring your own food, but if not, there's a canteen actually, or coffee shop inside.
Coffee shop inside.
There's a huge parking also.
Yeah, also souvenirs.
Yeah, there's also a souvenir shop that you can buy. So you will enjoy here actually. So what are you waiting for? Punta na kayo dito sa Al-Wazir Wetland Park. Sa halagang 15 dirhams.
Sa halagang 15 dirham.
Okay.
Para relax na kayo dito.
Yes. So, dito na lang natin tapusin guys ang ating vlog for today. And I hope you guys enjoy our little vlogs for today.
Yes.
And please subscribe to our channel sa Ignoranting Bisakol. Until the next video. Bye-bye.